What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy Digo coming at you guys with another review. Today we're going to be looking at a NikeLab times Off-White Pro tee. Let's get it. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel out so much. Now, if you guys have seen the hoodie, it is pretty much the same exact thing as the tee. The only thing that's really different about this one is that I got this in the same size as the hoodie. And this one is just really wide and actually a lot shorter. Really interesting. It has a very interesting cut at the bottom of it. I got this, like I said, in a double XL. And this one right here, I don't know what size I would get it in. It's a little short, but it's also like a little too wide on me. See if I can kind of show you guys the front. Try to get it for a little distance. It's gonna have the two arrows right here. It kind of looks like a smiley face. Then you're gonna have the different looking swoosh, like a different type of angle. This is 100% cotton tee. On the tag, you're gonna get just a NikeLab sideways swoosh tag. You're not gonna get like a white label tag or something that kind of detaches and just made onto it. It's just a black and gray tee, just like the hoodie. We're gonna have the gray stitching all around it. It's on both sides. You guys can see that right there. And then you're gonna have in the middle of it a huge gray stitching like slot. One thing I kind of missed right here, it has the same like vents, like the breathability hole right here, which is kind of interesting, kind of nice. Then when you get to the bottom, that's when you're gonna see that it has like this different unique cut. It kind of looks like waves. You guys can see that right here. Kind of scooch it back for you. I don't know really how I feel about that. It just kind of, it's longer in the front than it is in the back, and it just like cuts like this, just kind of interesting. And as you guys can see, this is pretty long. I don't know if you guys can tell, that's pretty wide. And then the opposite on the back. Super dope idea, super dope tee. Just the sizing for me personally is something that I could really rock. And here you go on the back. You're gonna see that it has the same logo with the off-white. You're gonna have the little 4 arrows. You're gonna have the breathability again on this side, which I don't really know why they did the vent, but it's still kind of cool, kind of unique. Adds like a different element to the tee. And then you're gonna see on the back right here, it's gonna have that same off-white tag. It's like off-white times Nike. Pretty much just has the off-white, that's what those 2 arrows right here. So it has like the arrows and then it's just saying off-white. And then you have like a little barcode. Let me see kind of what it says. It says technical label. It has the off-white and the Nike swoosh, which looks really cool. And then it just has like a little paragraph. I'll put a picture of it so you guys can see it. And it's just showing pretty much the off-white times Nike collab. And I think it looks super unique and definitely a dope tee to add to your collection. Personally, I would recommend going true to size just because how wide it is. I think you're just gonna have to deal with how short it is, depending on your height. If you're a little bit above average height and you're gonna get this, it's gonna be a little short on you. This is definitely, I think, a tee that's meant for like a regular size versus a taller person, because I'm 6'3", 225 pounds for sizing reference. I think I'm a true XL tee, maybe even a true large tee. Just kind of depends. This right here is a little too big for me on like the waist side, whereas in lengthwise, it's still a little short, but it's manageable. It kind of sucks because this tee is so hard to find and they're super expensive right now. Same with the hoodie. So I'll let you guys know if I get another one. I'm probably going to get rid of this just because of the sizing on it. And let me know what you guys think of this video. I will not be giving you guys a try on, but I hope you guys enjoyed the details, you know, so you guys can see the tee. And I will drop the product number in the description below. Let me know what you guys are thinking of the channel. I'm trying to get you guys a bunch of different content on NikeLab and Nike Tech, and also trying to get you guys shoes and other heat items as well. So thank you guys for watching. I'm out.